Have you recently been in a situation where your hair is dirty and greasy and you just don't have time to wash it? But you've got to be face ready for an important video call. Well, allow me to show you in 4 easy steps how to style dirty hair and make it look good. This technique works for all types of hair: fine hair, thick hair, and even curly hair. So step 1, brush your hair. This will massage your scalp, help circulation, and it really feels good. And if you have very tight curls or hair that gets really frizzy, you might want to skip this step and jump straight to step 2. Spray dry shampoo on your roots in sections. For my curly hair viewers who skipped step 1, massage the roots after this with your fingers to help spread the product around. Then step 3, working from the front, take a big section of hair, over-direct it across your face, slide the curling iron down with the clamp at the bottom so your hair goes underneath the curling iron, slide it 3/4 of the way through, curl it up to the base, and if you need to loosen the clamp to slide the hair through, you can, but be sure to leave some of the hair out so that you don't get a ringlety look. It just gives a more relaxed look. Now what you're going to do as you finish, unwind, and just at this end you're going to pull it through like a straightening iron and just let it sit there and let it cool. You're going to repeat through the rest of your hair, taking sections. For the top, take a separate section, brush if you need to. Again, if your hair is very curly, you might want to use a wide-toothed comb to get it even. Wrap the hair from below going up and around. Slide the hair, over-direct it, slide it to the front till you get about 3/4 of the way through. Slide it back and see, now you're at the base and you're going to get that lift. Keep the ends out, as you can see there. Let that heat up. Unwind it and just let the ends go through like it's a straightening iron, and keep doing that for the rest of the hair. Step 4. Once your hair is set, take a texturizing spray and break up the curl with either a wide-toothed comb, a brush, or your fingers. Just spray from below. And that is going to give you lift, and then just style as directed. If you want to comb it out, you can. If you have curls, you want to use a wide-toothed comb. Bring the hair forward. You've got some body there now. And gone is the oily, slick hair that we started off today.